Hello everyone! Welcome back to Midnight Pie. Today, we're going to learn two more useful Streamlit widgets, st.checkbox and st.radio. These widgets are used in many real-world applications. By the end of this video, you'll know how to use both of them, and we'll also build a small project together. So, let's get started. Think about a registration form. Sometimes you see something like, "I agree to the terms and conditions," or "Remember me." These are called checkboxes. A checkbox has only two states, checked or unchecked. In Streamlit, we create a checkbox using st.checkbox. Let's write the code. Import Streamlit as st. Checkbox, I love Python. Run the code. Now you'll see a checkbox. Click it. Click it again. You'll notice that it changes between checked and unchecked. Very simple. Now let's make it useful. Import Streamlit as st. If st.checkbox, I love Python, st.success, great! Python is an amazing language. Let's understand this. When the checkbox is selected, the condition becomes true. So Streamlit displays the success message. If the checkbox is not selected, nothing is displayed. Go ahead and test it yourself. Now, let's learn another important widget, st.radio. A radio button lets users choose only one option from a list. For example, choose your favorite color, choose your country, choose your experience level. Unlike checkboxes, you can select only one option at a time. Let's write the code. Level equals st.radio. Choose your level. Beginner, intermediate, advanced. Save the file. You'll now see three options. Try selecting each one. Notice that only one option can be selected. Now let's combine everything we've learned. We'll create a simple survey application. Write this code. Save the file. Run the application. Check the Python box. Choose your level. You'll immediately see the results. Congratulations! You've built another interactive Streamlit application. That's all for today's lesson. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.